Good morning, everybody. We are in our hotel room. We just got ready for the day. Kids are up. Kaya's chilling, having a bubba. Say hi. Piper's hiding because all of a sudden she's shy from the camera. And Josh is in there brushing his teeth. Hey, babe. And it looks nice out today, so we're gonna go walk around, take the kids to see the falls, and go down Clifton Hill, see what's going on there, and then we'll probably just head home. So, yeah. Having lunch. Isn't this a cool place, Piper? We are home from Niagara Falls. Yay! We had a good trip. We only stayed one day, but it felt like we were there for a week, just from all the walking that we did. But today was really nice outside, so that was good. Kai pretty much slept in his stroller the whole time we were walking around, seeing the falls and everything. Piper, did you have a good trip?
Yep.
Yeah, what was your favorite part of Niagara Falls?
My favorite part was when we were eating in the rainforest.
Oh, when we were eating in the rainforest? You liked that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool. What was your favorite animal that you saw?
The butterfly.
The butterfly. You love butterflies.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to go back there sometime?
Yeah.
Did you like staying in our hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got this sleep on me because I'm being Ninja Turtle.
You're being a Ninja Turtle? You're funny. Are you happy to be home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I got a Canada hat on.
You're so silly. Are you happy to be home, Kai?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're tired.
I am.
Daddy's tired. He's having a nap right now. He's tired from all the driving.
Yeah.
You're a girl. Oh, you are a girl. You're not a Ninja Turtle. You're a girl.
I'm Ninja Turtle.
Oh,
What's on my?
you're crazy.
I'm Santa.
Ah!
Yeah. Clean the guys up.
You're cleaning the viewers off with a wipe?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're
And
so
I'm
funny.
going for the set, you guys.
Oh.
For the dog, those guys.
You're silly.
That.
Can you show me your dance? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Yay! Show me your dance moves. Woo! Wow.
Hi, this is Baby Miley, and this is Baby My Fit Vlog.
It's your what?
Baby Fit Vlog.
Oh, baby's first vlog. Yeah. Yay! You love baby Miley.
This is Baby Miley.
And you like to take her everywhere with you, don't you? Yeah.
And we are in Mom's room.
Yeah. Is baby Miley your favorite baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can make it talk.
What does she say?
I love you. Mama, go.
Go, go, go.
And I'll show you something.
Okay.
A little passy.
She has a little passy.
And the mouth is opening so you can feed her water and give it a passy.
That's nice. We forgot to take baby Miley with us to Niagara Falls, didn't we?
Yeah.
But because we forgot her daddy bought you somebody else, right? Who did daddy get for you? Who is that?
Fluttershy.
Fluttershy. Yeah. Were you happy to get Fluttershy? Who's that one?
Already.
Ready? And who else do you have?
I have Rainbow.
Rainbow Dash. Who's your favorite pony?
I like Pinkie Pie.
Yeah.
With your Bill, what do you like, Pony? What pony do you like?
Yeah, what are your favorite ponies? You should leave us a comment below and let us know what your favorite ponies are.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You love watching My Little Pony, right?
Yeah.
And Equestria Girls?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's Mommy's favorite pony?
Pinkie Pie.
Mommy's favorite pony is Pinkie Pie?
No.
Who's Mommy's favorite pony? Fluttershy! Yep, because she likes animals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rainbow Dash, what's your favorite pony?
Who's Rainbow Dash's favorite pony?
Can we talk?
Okay.
What's your favorite pony?
My favorite pony is Applejack.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
We sometimes have to get Applejack. You'll be so happy.
Yeah, I would be very happy if you got Applejack.
But are you sick? Cause are your wings broken?
Yeah, my wings are a little broken.
So can you still flap them?
I can flap them a little bit, but I can't fly right now because they're broken. See, they're torn apart right there.
I can't fly either because I don't have wings. I can fly!
Fluttershy can fly. Wow, that's good flying. Woo! Okay guys, well that's the end of our Niagara Falls and 5th anniversary video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe please. Good night!